Hey guys, welcome to my channel and today I am taking you all along on a travel journey again with me to Land of Smiles, Bangkok. So कभी सोचा है कि बैंकॉक का नाम बैंकॉक क्यों है? Well, छोड़ो यार, ये भी कोई सोचने वाली बात है, आप तो सीरियस ही हो गए. So anyway, इतना तो you must have known by now that today I am in the Land of Smiles, Bangkok. So let's see what all we can do in 2 or 3 days while we are in Bangkok after this COVID-19 situation is over.
Hey guys, my name is Priya and I've finally boarded my flight to Bangkok. So we'll meet tomorrow.
तो बैंकॉक थाईलैंड की कैपिटल है, ये तो आपको पता ही होगा, बट क्या आपको ये पता था कि ये सबसे ज्यादा पॉपुलर सिटी ऑफ थाईलैंड है? पॉपुलर तो समझते हो ना? हाँ चलो, ओके, वेरी गुड. सो बैंकॉक अपनी स्ट्रीट लाइफ के लिए और कल्चरल लैंडमार्क्स के लिए और यहाँ तक कि अपनी रेड लाइट डिस्ट्रिक्ट एरियाज के लिए भी काफ़ी पॉपुलर है. आई मीन इंडियंस को तो ये पता ही होगा, आई एम श्योर.
Finally, it's about 6 o'clock in the morning here at Swarnabhumi, Bangkok Airport, and I've taken all my stuff. I'm done with my visa on arrival and the immigration check. From here now I'm all set to go to my hotel. So first thing before going to my hotel, I have to get the currency exchange done. You need not worry about the currency exchange and where you will get it from, but you can easily get it here
from one of the ATMs on the airport itself. You only have to pay a minimal amount for every transaction.
And second thing, download an app for the taxis here in Bangkok, which is the Grab app. So it is going to really help you with your travel itinerary.
From the airport, I left for Sukhumvit area, which is where I've booked my hotel. So this is Romance Hotel, and I was very fascinated by the name of it. अब यार romance के नाम पे सब कुछ होते हैं, right? Very nice and cozy rooms, friendly staff, and delicious buffet breakfast that they serve here, which is also included in your room rent. So I found it a very good deal. So before exploring Bangkok any further, I'm going to take a quick nap, and then in the evening I'm going to Chatuchak Market and explore why that market is so popular.
Hey, good evening. So finally I have rested well in my hotel room. I am going to Chatuchak Market. I'll probably ask my hotel people and ask them how do I go about it. So I'll see you in some time. Ta-da!
Yeah.
So SO is telling me the route how to I go to Chatuchak Market. So we are
Here.
here, Bangchak.
Yes.
Okay.
From here to Moshit.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Living in this Sukhumvit area, which is very popular in Bangkok here. I researched about it, read a lot about it on internet also, that this is one of the popular places where you can stay in Bangkok. But make sure that you have a good connectivity to all the BTS stations or whatever the BTS station is nearby your property. The BTS station. So I told you it's pretty close to my place. So I've reached the BTS station. I have to get inside the station and figure out which train do I have to catch to get there.
Transport facility in Bangkok is pretty good and convenient. You can choose different modes of transport to get from one place to another and explore the whole city on your own.
The metro is really crowded. I've reached the Mochi station here and now into the Chatuchak Market, but I'll have to figure out the way. Guys, we've entered the Chatuchak Market. Local street shopping.
So let's now explore the famous Chatuchak Market. Also known as the JJ Market, it is the largest weekend market in the whole Thailand. It has more than 15,000 stalls and sells many different kind of goods, consumer electronics, antiques, cosmetics, furniture, clothing, books and much more. It is open every Friday, Saturday and Sunday and closes around midnight. Over 2 lakh visitors visit this market every weekend. So be very careful with your belongings and money when you plan to visit this market.
Finally, I'm done with my shopping at the Chadushak Weekend Market. Now I'm getting back to the BTS metro station, and from there I'll catch my train to my hotel, which is in Bangfang, I don't know.
บางน้ำใส่ตุ่มลุงตู่อยู่ในตุ่มจาน
So this market is very vibrant and colorful and all worth the hype and definitely deserves your visit on your next trip to Bangkok. So if you like this vlog and shopping with me, do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.